Hey guys, welcome to another video on personal finances, tips and strategies. In this video, I will be sharing with you 4 companies that pays you over $47 an hour to deliver packages. You can start today as an independent courier contractor. In this video, I will be sharing with you everything you need to know to become a courier driver, a step-by-step guide to getting started and start making money today. Now, courier driving is one of the most accessible and flexible ways to enter the logistics and delivery industry. With the explosion of e-commerce, medical logistics, and on-demand services, companies like Airspace, UPS, Twic, and Cenepex are actively seeking reliable, independent drivers to support their operations. So whether you're looking to drive full-time, earn a side income, or launch your own small delivery business, here's everything you need to know to get started. Now, before we dive right into it, I'm gonna ask you guys, please, if any advertisements should interrupt this video, please don't click off. Allow them to play through, because this is how I get compensated for putting together and delivering to you this very vital piece of information. So I would really appreciate it if you allow the videos to play through and subscribe to this channel and click on the thumbs up button to give us a like. Thank you so much. Now, step number 1, you have to understand the courier landscape. Before you hit the road, it's important to understand how each company operates. Courier work varies. These companies focus on time-critical shipments like medical deliveries, scheduled logistics, or e-commerce drop-offs. Here's a quick breakdown for you to kind of understand. The first company we're dealing with is airspace.com. Their website is airspace.com, and this company specializes in time-sensitive logistics, primarily in the medical and aerospace industries. They expect urgent deliveries that require precision and reliability. Their drivers are usually independent contractors. That's where you come in. The next one we're going to be looking at is UPS, which is a global logistics giant. UPS hires seasonal and permanent drivers with options for full-time employment and union benefits. They also utilize personal vehicle drivers during high demand periods. That's where you come in again. Now, another one is Twic, not a company, but rather the transportation worker identification credential issued by the TSA. Twic card is required to access secure port facilities, making it essential if you plan to do courier work that involves ports, shipping wharves, especially with maritime freight companies. The other company we're looking at is Cenepex.com, which is a newer tech-driven platform that connects businesses with local couriers for same-day deliveries and operates in several US metro areas and offers flexibility for independent drivers with their own vehicles. Now, step 2, you gotta meet the basic requirements. While each company varies slightly, you'll generally need the following to begin your courier career. You need a valid driver's license, a reliable vehicle. Now, the type of vehicle you can use will highly depend on the company, but usually they require you to have a sedan, a SUV, or a cargo van. You need auto insurance, and you have to have a clean driving record. So if you have a bunch of tickets on your driving record, then this is not for you. You're going to need to have a reliable smartphone with GPS capabilities. You'll need to have the ability to lift and carry packages, typically up to 50 pounds. So if you can easily lift 50 pounds, then this might be for you. Some companies will also require a background check and drug screening. If you're applying for jobs that involve secure areas such as port deliveries, you'll need to obtain a TWIC card, and we'll look into that as we go. Now, step 3, getting started with each company. Let's break it down by company so you can see the specific steps for each. How to become a courier driver for airspace.com. Visit the Airspace website, go to airspace.com and navigate to the driver opportunities section or the join our network section. There you will fill out the application, provide your vehicle information, availability and personal details. You will have to complete a background check. Airspace will perform a background check and in some cases request additional documentation. Number 4, app onboarding. Once accepted, you'll be trained on how to use their mobile platform, accept deliveries and maintain communication. Number 5, start driving. Deliveries are mostly urgent, so you'll need to be ready to respond quickly and deliver on time. Airspace pays per delivery and rates vary based on distance and urgency. Estimated earnings $20 to $45 per hour, depending on your area and your vehicle and the urgency of deliveries. Now, how to become a driver for UPS. I'm going to show you now how to become either a driver for UPS if you're interested in driving for UPS, or how to become a courier driver, an independent contractor driver for UPS. There are 2 primary ways to work for UPS. One, as a seasonal or full-time employee. Apply via the UPS careers page at jobsups.com. Select positions like package delivery driver or tractor trailer driver if that's what you're interested in. These are W-2 jobs, often unionized, with benefits and paid training. Or 2, as a personal vehicle driver. This is where you use your own vehicle to deliver packages as a courier. During peak seasons like holidays, UPS hire drivers who use their own vehicles. Requirements for this includes having a mid-size or larger vehicle with insurance and availability for scheduled shifts. Apply through the same portal but search for seasonal PVD roles, personal vehicle driver roles. Estimated earnings full-time $28 to $40 per hour plus benefits. Overtime and pension union job is involved also. Personal vehicle drivers can earn anywhere between $25 to $38 per hour during seasonal contracts. How to get a TWIC card? Now this is where if you're going to be delivering packages to ports or wharfs, you need to have a TWIC card. A TWIC card allows you to access U.S. maritime facilities. You have to have this card. It's a must if you're working as a courier for clients near ports. How do you get the TWIC card? You schedule an appointment by going to universalenroll.dhs.gov to begin your TWIC application, or you can visit an enrollment center. Bring proof of identity like passport, driver's license, birth certificate. 3. Submit fingerprints and photo. 4. Wait for approval. Processing takes about 2 to 6 weeks. The cost for this is over $125 for a 5-year credential. Why does this matter? Couriers with TWIC clearance are more valuable in port-heavy cities like Los Angeles, Houston, Texas, or Miami, Florida, which opens up higher-paying niche delivery opportunities. Now, how to drive for Senpex.com. You visit Senpex.com and scroll to the bottom to find Become a Driver link. You scroll to the bottom of the site to find the Become a Driver link. 2. Submit an application. You'll need to provide vehicle information, your driver's license, and proof of insurance. 3. Complete onboarding. Once approved, you'll gain access to the Senpex Driver app. 4. Accept jobs on your schedule. You know what your schedule is, so you'll accept jobs that fit in your schedule. Senpex uses an AI system to match you with local deliveries in your area. Senpex favors drivers with an SUV, a van, or larger sedan, and many deliveries involve business clients needing same-day delivery service. So you have to make sure that you will be delivering those packages on time. Estimated earnings between $19 to $40 per hour, depending on the type of delivery and your city. So some deliveries pays higher than some, and some city will also allow you to make more money also. Now, step 4, how to optimize your income whenever you're earning as a courier driver. To maximize your earning as a courier driver, use multiple platforms. Many drivers sign up with several companies to stay busy. For example, you might work full-time for UPS and pick up airspace or Senpex gigs in your free time. Work peak hours. That's where you make more money. Working peak hours like early mornings, evenings, and weekends often have higher demand and you can receive more pay. Track your expenses. Use an app or spreadsheet to monitor mileage, fuel, tolls, and maintenance for your vehicle for tax deductions. Maintain a professional image. Couriers with clean vehicles, prompt communication and delivery, and a good review often get higher paying delivery opportunities. My final thoughts: is courier driving worth it? Absolutely yes. If you're organized, self-motivated, and ready to hustle, courier work offers flexible hours, fast onboarding, and consistent pay, especially in urban areas. Many drivers report earnings of between $1,000 to $2,500 per week, particularly when combining multiple platforms and driving full-time. Whether you're delivering life-saving medical supplies for airspace, or moving e-commerce packages for UPS, or making time-critical business deliveries with Senpex, or unlocking port jobs with TWIC card, the career world has never been more accessible or lucrative. So if you're ready to take the wheel, now's the time to start. The road to reliable income and flexible work is just a few steps away. Okay guys, this is it. I hope that you have received some vital information from this video, and please remember to subscribe to this channel. Click on the thumbs up button to leave us a like, and if you are watching and you have some more information to add to this video that can help the viewers, please do so by leaving it in the comment section below so that the viewers can be benefited from your input. If you're a courier and you're watching this video and you can pass along some more information to the viewers, please, why not do so that they can benefit. Be on the lookout for our next video, but until then, please be safe and may God bless your efforts. Thank you so much.